Since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, we at the Tennessee Department of Correction have been proactive and vigilant in our efforts to protect the health and overall well-being of our officers and staff, and especially our offender population. We've continually monitored the situation and took action immediately, starting with the suspension of visitation at all facilities in mid-March, and launched a comprehensive and continually updated FAQs page on our website. Throughout the remaining weeks of March, we initiated non-invasive screenings of offenders as well as all individuals as they entered our facilities, implemented enhanced cleaning and disinfecting schedules, utilizing cleaning and sanitizing guidelines laid out by the CDC. We worked with the Board of Parole to suspend all in-person parole hearings and limited community service work crews to essential outdoor projects. The first case of COVID-19 within Tennessee's prison system occurred at the end of March. A staff member at Core Civic's South Central Correctional Facility tested positive for the virus. We also modified educational programming to reduce class size, allowing for better social distancing, and suspended all in-person legal visits. We at TDOC incurred our first case a few days later on April 1st. A contract employee working at the Bledsoe County Correctional Complex tested positive. We took immediate action, quarantining 3 offenders we suspected had come into contact with that employee. 3 other staff members were advised to self-quarantine at home for 14 days and consult their primary care physician. In the coming days and weeks, as this fluid situation continued to unfold, we worked with the Tennessee Department of Health and the Department of the Military as part of Governor Lee's unified command to begin mass testing of offenders and staff at multiple facilities. Offenders who had tested positive were placed together in housing units separate from offenders who tested negative. We continue to monitor those who tested positive, 95 to 98% of whom were asymptomatic, ensuring they received appropriate and adequate medical care. On April 22nd, we launched a 24-hour, 7 days a week COVID-19 information line for family members of inmates where they could receive live information about what is occurring inside our prisons and information about their loved ones. We continue to provide free phone calls so the inmate population can stay in touch with their family and friends. After mass testing at the Trousdale Turner Correctional Complex, Governor Lee's COVID-19 Unified Command recommended the mass testing of all TDOC staff and offenders. Our agency maintains continuity of operations plans to respond to situations as they arise. We are grateful to the public for their support of our officers and inmates during this time. While this has been a challenging time for everyone, the TDOC stands ready to respond. It is what we do. For more details on our department's efforts to respond to COVID-19, please visit our website at tn.gov/correction.